Open the door to your future with a career in the field of hydraulics and pneumatics through fluid power engineering from Hennepin Technical College.
Almost everything we use in manufacturing is hydraulics or pneumatics. It's all around us.
Fluid power is the art in how things move, harnessing the power of liquids and air to drive, regulate, or operate machinery.
It gives you a lot of different skills as far as machining, understanding the electrical aspect. So it's about taking all of these skill sets and combining them together to invent something and make something come to life.
With a need to develop more sources of sustainable energy, fluid power is changing at a rapid pace.
What is cool about this program is the diversity and the variety of where you can go with it. Fluid power offers many different options and career paths. Our industry is not going to go away. There's lots and lots of jobs.
Get the hands-on experience to excel in this engineering-related field. It's your turn to say, I made it at HennepinTech.edu.